Hello great minds, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I want to show you how to download a Tonkeeper. You know, we're in the season of the crypto bull run. Ton is the latest trending project. So every other project that is coming under the Ton blockchain. The Ton coin is a native token or native coin owned by Telegram. So I'm going to show you how to download a wallet, decentralized wallet that is compatible to your Ton coin, so you can easily connect your wallet or do whatsoever, or also have your coin, because it's a wallet where you can keep several of your cryptos on that Ton blockchain. So if you're using an Android phone, just simply go to your Play Store, or if you're using an iPhone, you can go to your Apple Store. You come to your Apple Store or your Play Store and you type Tonkeeper, the first one. I click Tonkeeper. I think I have it in this place before. It will just tell me update because I have it before. So if you don't have it, you will see where they say install Tonkeeper. So you see the logo, you know this. So don't download the fake one or anyone which is not this. So click the Ton, and once you click on it, it will start downloading and install. So after downloading and install, it will take you directly to your Tonkeeper like this. It will come up like this with a welcome note, welcome to Tonkeeper. So what you need to do is to click get started. Get started. They will ask you if you're creating a wallet or you want to import an existing wallet. Now, these two things involve. The first one is if you don't have a Tonkeeper and you want to create a Tonkeeper, that is, you are creating a new wallet. But if you have a wallet before, or you just want to import that wallet to this place, it's just like harvesting your cocoyam and planting in another land. I hope that analogy is easy for you to understand. Yes, this means if I want to import, that means I already have an account. I just want to import it into this land. So in our case, we are not importing, we are creating a new wallet. So I will go ahead and do create new wallet, and I will let it to load for a while. Wallet has just been created. You see, this is super easy. They will also give you an instruction to take your pen and your book. What are we doing with pen and book? We are about to write our passphrase. Now, in cryptocurrency industry, it is very important. Your passphrase is just like your password. If you lose your passphrase, you can't have access to your wallet. So this is the most interesting and important part while creating this wallet. So we go continue because we have our pen and our paper. We're going to be writing down this recovery phrase, and they are saying here, write down these 24 words in the order given below and store them in a secret safe place. Meaning that this is very important. I have to write them according to their number. For instance, number 1 is joke, number 2 lottery, heart, congress, and the rest of them. So I have to strictly write them down as it is. All right, so I'll write them down, or also store them in a digital place. Let me just screenshot it for now for the purpose of this video, but ensure you write it down in a book. Even though you screenshot and send it somewhere safe in your digital space, but write it down in a book, very important. So that takes us to the next step. Continue. After I've written it down, now they want to know if this actually belongs to me. That means I have to put in number 1, and my number 1 is joke. Remember, it's in small letters, not capital letter. It's in small letter. Joke. I think number 13. I'll look for number 13 because I just screenshot. Okay, number 13 is yard. I think it's in small letter. and 17 is cousin, I think. All right, I will go ahead, continue. Oh, 17 is wrong. But 17 is wrong because I think I think the mistake might come from using a capital letter instead of small letter. So you now see the mistake and don't make the same mistake. So I think it's small letter. You see it now shines blue. So I think I'm good to go. 17 is cousin, and that's it. So they'll ask me to create a new password. You can use a password. You can use, let's just use for the purpose of this video, I want to use 1111. Okay, and I will re-enter password. So you use the one you can remember. That is it. I normally like using my fingerprint. I can just enable fingerprint and use my fingerprint. Just click enable fingerprint and use it. If your phone has fingerprint, it's still cool. All right, congratulations, you have set up your wallet. I think this is my Tone wallet. We have successfully created a new Tonkeeper wallet. Okay, our wallet is created successfully, so you are good to go to connect it to any of the crypto project you want. So thank you for watching and engaging in this video. If this video is helpful to you, I want you to comment what you've learned on the comment below, and subscribe to this channel if you've not, and send this video to your friends and tell them to subscribe. Thank you for being with us. See you in our next video.